you're not gonna find somewhere like ACM. There's lots of schools that can teach you how to push faders and how to EQ and how to compress, but there's not many schools that can teach you how to be relationally intentional between band members and other audio engineers and how to create who you are.
ACM UCO really afforded me a lot of opportunities to connect with the right people. I think that's the most important aspect for me from the program. I was able to meet like-minded individuals, and my peers were really helpful in helping me kind of figure out who I wanted to be as a music business professional. The mentors were great, and I really appreciated being able to kind of meet real-life professionals that could help me in my career down the line.
It's good to be in a hub where people are working hard, want to make music, want to be in the music industry. If you want to be in the music industry, just be around other people that are doing it as well, and ACM's a great place for that.
ACM taught me a lot of things, but I think more than what the knowledge I gained, it gave me the confidence to walk into any recording studio or any venue and be able to do good work.
ACM actually gave me a lot of opportunities just to learn everything that I know now, from putting on my own concerts, the resources with the facility, and the faculty themselves. I've learned a lot from here. I really recommend you come to ACM UCO.